What's the meaning of Academy Award? Academy Award. Academy Award. Academy Award. Academy Award. Academy Award. The Academy Awards, also known as the Oscars, are awards for artistic and technical merit in the film industry, presented annually by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, AMPAS. The awards, first presented in 1929 at the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel in Los Angeles, recognize excellence in cinematic achievements as assessed by the Academy's voting membership. The Academy Awards are regarded by many as the most prestigious awards in the entertainment industry. The Oscar statuette, officially called the Academy Award of Merit, is a gold-plated knight standing on a reel of film.